Rilao, yan po ang kanyang bansag, no? So from Bulacan, and Mr. AJ Manas, no, one of the Apollo Miranda and Mr. Charles Ladiano. So parang ganyan, no? Gotta know that. Comes to the international scene, Mr. AJ Manas. From the 5 to the 6, so he's gonna have to be careful. And he's got it. Ayan, sabihin ko, no? Sambo goes in. Current na mga pool players, matutulungan po. And if you want them signed by the GOAT himself, plans, which resulted in a good outcome, and that's another foul. Syempre, pipigilan pa niya ang pamato na yan, no, for the foul. And obviously, basic lang for Mr. AJ. Oozing with confidence, Mr. SQ Club. Eventually, 16 players qualified for the last 32. That was Manas, Reste La Bastida had their matches. That was a couple of days ago, and it's gonna be their last chance. Binata na to, no? Hindi na bata to. I think he has a yet. Is pretty evident na hindi po siya masyado nag-a-adjust sa feet. The Resty comes back. Now that got from AJ. That's 3-0 sa ating Efren Batarias Yalin 10-Ball Open Championship. We are playing on a Yalin hack. Definitely kailangan niyang makasimula na, no? Makahabol ng konti. Getting a better chance, as you can see here. AJ Manas. For many viewing din na player nito, especially in his home court. Not easy, but this should do for now. Okay, instead of going offensively, Billiards Efren Batarias, syempre pumayag po siya na, at sila po mga nagsimula nito, itong event na to naman, no, dito sa pagpapatakbo. The organizers who are currently Players Association, maraming salamat, no, headed by President Mia Domingo, ayan, and the other board of directors, or yung ating pinaka pagdating sa games, that is the games committee. We have Mr. Alan Soliman, maraming salamat po, no. Yung behind the scenes dito po sa ating live stream are also doing their job. mga interviews, videos, merchandise. You can chat them as well for in. There you go, Teteng Marilao layout. Possibly he can draw even against Mr. AJ Manas. The one ball is open and probably another safety may be warranted. As evident dun sa last two ranks. Syempre dito sa layout na to, no? On which AJ Manas just failed to make contact kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadali, no? Nakikita na natin, no? Ayan. He was slightly out of line. And of course, three all for Bastida has been working nicely. Uno, no? Tatlong rack din yun. The lower half of the table, kung tutusin, mukhang one pocket yung laro dito eh. Ayan, no? Parang, if you know one team's like, they're gonna have to play it in the closest corner pockets. Just like this. Wow. Hildon, it looks like a bit of him to probably get advantage of this, but in this case it's gonna be AJ Manas capitalizing on that. Magandang hapon muli, no, sa ating mga viewers dito sa Facebook on Pacman's Bata Reyes Yalin 10 Ball Open Championship. Along Shaw Boulevard here in Manda, Teteng Marilao. Coming from an error of Mr. Labastida, and right now, ooh, another again. Perfect here for the brown 7. Pool, of course, several number of this point, pero nonetheless, napakaganda pa rin ng was on, I think that was 6 ball. Mandaluyong City. Kita naman pala, no? Dos. He was taking his time, probably in favor of his opponent, that is AJ Manas. Siyempre medyo be overshooting this or undershooting this. Medyo crucial, no? Five apiece here for thanks to our major sponsor Yalin Paris yan. So we have Mr. Albert James, AJ Manas will be sent home. Yun lang. C and D have filled the slots para dun sa last 32. The 16 slots nakuha. Minsan ay, good shot. Yun lang. Times medyo nagbabago yan, depende sa dami ng tao na nanonood dito sa arena, no? Dito sa ating, as you would expect, there are a number of audiences coming and going na slide. But of course, the level of bilis mag-adjust. Pero once in a while, ganun kadali. Totoo yun, ha? This is gonna draw another point. Nice center ball hit. And lahat ng bola. Panoorin na lang natin ang pamamaraan ni Mr. AJ Manas. Nung kaninang kalat ng bola. But definitely 6 ball, the 8 ball, the 9 ball. Yun, at this point, that is what Mr. AJ Manas is starting to figure out. Magagawang diskarte. And puts and places on the spot kung saan medyo kailangan pantrabahuin ni Mr. AJ Manas ang perfect angle on the 8, pero kailangan pa rin, no? Siguraduhin ang kanyang pahanda dito sa 9. Very nice. Probably he bumps the 10 just a bit. Ayan na nga. So with break and run out, number 2 consecutive. Again, coming up with a nice break there. Yun lang, no? Nice Tito jokes. Kidding aside, guys. Nahagip niya yung tres. But, again, Just trying to keep you company, keep you warm. I mean, critical na siya. Critical condition because he can't afford. Now he's trailing 8-5. Looks like this is gonna fall. Medyo angulo to. But no problem for Resty. Same pocket position here for the 10 para sa kanyang 6th point. Squaring off for this break shot. He has a good break. So there's a possibility for Mr. Labastida to really catch up. Balls are in the open para kay Mr. AJ Manas. Labastida. Is that Mr. He's gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4 rails. Ito na, the 4th rail. Hindi masyado masabi. Kinailangan masihin pa ni Mr. AJ the real chance of winning the rack and winning the match. Nako, ayan na nga, no? Funny things seem to happen. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. A lifeline has been provided and definitely the pressure will start to build up, but that relief na nararamdaman mo dahil nabigyan ka, ayan, napap a good bump there. Ayan, so Mr. Labastida. Ball Open Championship. Sa ating champion, the eventual champion, which would be decided, that would be tomorrow, is an amount. Ask any player. Players is to showcase their skills, their talent, para maging isang professional pool player. Kaya mataas din ang respeto natin. And yun na nga, they're pretty much very unquestionable world-class quality. Kung lahat ng Pinoy, no, siguro. Matapang, mga mandirig. And wow. Look at he lands easy on the 7 ball. Gare, pwedeng patay bola or pwedeng, here we go. Here we go. The 10 ball. Congratulations, Mr. Labastida, for putting up a really nice comeback. That was from 8-5.